Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and two amazing pocket watches with something extra. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. This is a piece from, let me check, the late 18th century, probably 1790s. And it's built for the Ottoman Empire, Turkish Empire. I know there's a difference, but modern Turkey, Ottoman Empire. And maybe, I hope it's audible if I pull this. Such a loud ping. Maybe you can hear it now. There's the hours and the quarters. And the extra bit in this, remember 1790s, the beautiful pierced case. The amount of work is simply staggering. Now you can see the pierced case. Look at this. And now something extra. It is a beautiful movement. I have to do it very careful, and I prefer to do it with my fingernails because it's soft material. There we are. There. The beautiful movement and the diamond capstone, endstone. But the real trick is inside this pierced case. It's a bell. That is the beautiful ringing sound. And even there, the hole for the winding. How beautiful is this? Every single piece pierced with a small saw, filed to perfection in 1790. You have to be very careful because I can only close in one way. There we are. There it is. And then fantastic. So that's the first watch with a complication. Complication means something added to the movement. So this one is from England, but with made for the Turkish Ottoman market. And then this one, again 1790, with something special. There. The beautiful movement. And look at even the guilloche there. Nobody is going to see it. And the extreme black polish on the plate for the capstone. But it was a watch with something extra I told you. Because there is the tiniest hidden, wow, see what happens. 3, 2, 1. 1790. Such a piece of art and a piece of fun. And that's it. It is beautiful and a piece of fun. Really hope you enjoyed it. My name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.